this whole rhetoric of make America great again, honestly, is getting out of control. Let me tell you why it's getting out of control. It's getting out of control because let's take for a moment. Let's take for a moment and chosen one. I'm gonna help you real quick. Don't worry, I'm coming back. Make America great again. Then I asked the question, when was America ever great? When was America ever great? Chosen one, you look like a white man. When was America ever great? Maybe it's real quiet in the room. When was America ever great? Because if I go back, I mean, are we saying it's great for white people? Or because when you say make America, when you use America, you mean everybody or just white people? Because I'm trying to understand. I'm trying to understand when you say make America great again, are you implying it was great for you or great for all of us? Because if I go back, Auntie Deb, back to the 90s when you had Rodney King being slayed and splattered in the streets,